Hey guys, in this video we are going to review the COSTWAY Multipurpose Steam Cleaner. If you want more information, please start the video. Features: sterilizes surfaces and kills 99% of germs using its superheated steam. Large tank capacity allows a more extended period of steaming without interruption. The automatic cut-off feature ensures that this device does not overheat. It is useful for both indoor and outdoor cleaning of multiple hard surfaces. COSTWAY introduced a 1500-watt heavy-duty model for multi-purpose and for large families. The 1500-watt heavy-duty carries 51 ounces of the water tank that provides 45 minutes of continuous steam. Produces over 226 Fahrenheit temperature that is ETL certified, so your hands are protected while using the unit. COSTWAY considered larger rooms into the account and bundled a 4.8-meter-long power cord to move around comfortably. The steam pressure level is 54 psi that wipes out harmful bacteria, viruses, kill bed bugs, and more. The brand bundled 18 different accessories in the package that will come in handy in reaching tricky spots in the house. The ETL certified product has safety features such as boiler automatic turn-off button, temperature control system, and overheating cutout system. Pros: easy to change cleaning pads with Velcro. Effective for killing bed bugs. Heats up very quickly. Includes hidden accessory storage compartment. Cons: difficult to get replacement parts. Attachments could be more durable.